Hello friends and welcome to What's Logic. And now I want to say that that has been enough to work on online server. Now we are ready to move on to our offline server and set it up. So actually I'm going to close all the online server different sections, and now I'm going to work on our offline server. So in the previous videos I have told you that what is actually dashboard, what is updates in updates section in this dashboard, and then what are posts. So friends, now let's take a severe look at what actually WordPress is. So friends, first of all, you can see here in post section you can see all posts available, or you can see friends, what you can do from here is you can add new posts. That also I have understood, make you understood. But friends, now let's take a look at categories in posts. So friends, what actually a category is in posts. So for example, if you are a writer and you are writing different posts every day, but friends, your post also should have categories. Like for example, if one post is about foods, the other is about technology, the third one is about something different. So friends, that way you can add categories in your post. So for example, let's take a category technology here. And then friends, a slug, what is actually a slug? Friends, a slug is a URL friendly name, as it says. So you should get it get the same name in slug, but with small letters. So that what it says, techno, OLOGY, that's fine. And now parent category, there's no parent category for technology, so that's what it should be. And then description of your category. So it contains. So friends, now I have written the description for it, that it contains technology posts, and that's fine, because actually that's what this technology is about. And then you can add new category. And then you can see here in the categories section, friend, you can see that our technology category has been added, and uncategorized is also added, because it was default for WordPress, and actually it must be already available to use also website also, as because this is the default category which can be deleted. So that's what it's all about. And then friends, when you'll create a post, for example, if I add a new post, and then I say that Samsung, about Samsung S9, for example. So this actually this post is related to technology. So actually I can add it to one category called Samsung S9 in this widget called categories. So you can see here these categories are available. Let me add it to technology, and now this post has been transferred to technology category. So that's what actually it was. So friends, uh, and for example, if I type here something and then publish it, then friends, when I'll go to this link, it should mention that it's related to this category called technology. So that's what actually category is, friends, in WordPress. So now let's take one more major look about that, what are actually featured images in WordPress. So friends, actually featured image is something that would appear in for example, if I go to What's Logic, and then you would should see that this Samsung S9 post is available here. But friends, it actually has no image that is telling or describing more about this one, because one image is about 1,000 word is said by a famous person. So actually you can add here a featured image that must describe your post. So let me select file, and that is, I think, Samsung S9, so it must be somewhere around there. Videos, no friends, there are no. um, Let me check it if I have it there. Let me go to my store files and misc, and then not workspace, there it must have videos, and then find Samsung S9, and here it's all about JPG. So friends, now let me see. Yes, that's about Samsung S9. And when I'll set it to featured image and then update the post, uh, now friends, actually it must appear here, over here, and now you can see here it describes something more. So that's what actually a featured image is all about. And friends, it actually appears also here, over here. So that's the special feature of theme, friends. Actually it has been done by theme. Now actually take a look at or we'll take a look at tags in next video. Bye.